Hi friends, this video shows how to delete files from this SanDisk SSD storage using this Google TV Streamer 4K device. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV Streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this SanDisk SSD storage. This is a setup. Let me go to TV. In TV, go to this apps tab, go down. We need to open one file manager app. Here I am using this Explore app. You can install this Explore app from App Store. Let me open it. Then here you can see internal shared storage of this Google TV streamer. Below that you can see disk 1 TB. That is this SSD storage. Select it. Now you are seeing folders inside this SSD storage. So I am going to delete one file. So let me select one file. I am going to select this pictures folder. Inside that you can see one image. Let me delete this. Press and hold OK button on the remote. Then delete. Set OK. Done. Deleted. If you are not able to delete this and you are getting permission error, in that situation you can go to all settings. Select all settings from top right corner. Go to apps, select see all apps. Then from this apps list you have to select Explore app. This is a file manager app. Open it, go down, set permissions, set files. Here we need to allow. Okay, after that you can again try to delete. That should work. So this way we can delete file. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.